good morning, brother.
Oh, good morning.
I am ready. I can really go for a nice stack of pancakes right now.
Me too. Let's go get some pancakes. But
I wonder if mine will have some chocolate chips. What's wrong, brother? And what the hell? Why is there a? What happened to our house?
I don't know. Oh, jeez.
Is it rising?
I don't think so.
Oh!
I should grapple on the wall for safety. Don't you think?
Wait, give me some grapplers.
Just swim up. Not that hard.
I mean, there's not that much water. Get to the platform! Hey, look, a platform. How's this always been
Mr.
here?
Froggy!
Mr. Froggy. Oh, there's even sleeping quarters. That's pretty cool.
This
Just
is
so
my bed
beds
because
don't get-
this is my bed because it has Mr. Froggy in it.
Just so we don't get mixed up, I'm gonna have my bed in dark green because I like the color green. Wait, you think we go fishing? Oh yeah, we can go fishing. Yo, give me some grapplers. I want to go fishing.
I'll go fishing for you.
What?
I got nothing
Oh,
yet.
let me see if they got any resources.
I got a big one.
Here we go.
Got a big one. Got a big one.
No, I got you. Uriel, be careful of big fish.
That I didn't see a big fish. It had sharp teeth. I think it was a shark. Go.
Stop.
Okay, I fish
I'll
again.
fix this.
Okay, let's see what I get.
Or
Hey. Let's see what I get, brother. Are you excited?
Yeah, let's hope we get some fish because we need food.
How do you magically think that fish will just spawn in our house? That doesn't make any sense.
I don't know how, but maybe we'll get some like supplies.
This is taking way too long. What did you do? Oh, I got that. I got that. I got that. I got it. Mom!
To drop my paint. Get to the platform.
Please don't take that. Thanks.
Are you coloring our only source of cotton brown?
Yeah, I'm getting bored.
And I do have other paints. I got
Paint.
I got one.
Paint. I'm gonna paint this one. Paint. I'm gonna paint this one also. Paint.
I like green. I think green
Okay.
looks good.
Paint.
Wait, can I color this?
Can I have green? Can I have green color?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Green froggy.
Done. Yay. I think we may need some. Oh, okay.
Wait, I actually kind of like this.
Now I'm gonna paint 1/2 green and 1/2 brown. Okay. Okay. Oh, don't take it. Come here. Okay. Can I have some brown, please? Dad, brother!
Wow,
I said 1/2 green and 1/2 brown, not entire green.
Okay. Yo, brother, can I get a grappler so I can fish?
Hold on. Oh, I need the green paint. I need the green paint. Yep.
Oh, here's some green paint. I have some green paint. All this is green paint.
Oh, perfect.
Herb, you actually gotta be very careful with this. So, let's not focus on paint and let's actually focus on survival. The cotton dispensers can leave. We can leave the tech web and the
Brother,
cotton
what are you
dispensers.
doing? I said 1/2 green and 1/2 brown.
Brother, did you not hear a single thing I said?
Doing this?
Brother,
Can I
I
have some green
literally
paint?
said that. Yeah. Brother, I literally said that.
Dad, don't mess it up this time, please. I don't. I think we need brown paint.
Brown paint?
Yeah.
Coming up!
Oh, thanks. Yeah, that's good, I guess. Give me that. There we go. Perfect. Look at that, brother.
Yeah, we're actually doing good.
Give me that. Okay, perfect. Okay. And now we need 1 green, 1 brown, 1 green, 1 brown. Look at that, brother.
Yay!
Yeah?
We're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
I also decorated our little new little sleeping quarters with some beautiful flower bushes that I managed to find.
Where'd you find the flower
that's how.
bushes?
I just found them.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
I don't know how, but our house literally are just getting like the weirdest things ever. I swear. Yeah, their house may. Yeah.
I'm looking for a little dip.
There we go. Drop the payload! Payload has dropping payload. Hey! Ow, why you trying to ground me? What are you doing?
Brother, stop!
What are you doing?
I'm getting us a safety thing so we don't have to get dragged in.
Would you like that in green or brown?
None.
Red?
I said none.
I'm gonna go see if the tech lab can get us any supplies.
Okay.
Let's see. The tech lab gave me a sticky explosive. I don't know why, but they just gave it to me.
I push you in.
Ah! What the hell? What the hell is wrong with you?
Sorry. I just wanted to test it out.
I mean,
Hey, brother, can you come here? Can you come
Wait,
here?
how are we supposed to get into like the little area to fish?
This. I push you in.
Oh. Ah!
Bye-bye, brother. There should only be one survivor.
Freedom! Brother, what is wrong with you?
Sorry.
I thought we were supposed to do this as a team. Not,
Yeah.
like, to death.
Oh, I thought you said to death.
No, we're supposed to do this as a team.
Oh.
Because our parents, remember, are spending 2 years in Las Vegas without us because we have very
But
strict
why? What?
parents. Because our parents suck.
Brother, I'm coming.
Ah! Hey, what the hell?
What happened?
Ow.
Ow!
Don't worry, we should be able to get back up. Well, at least we can scavenge.
What's happening?
What's going on?
I don't know.
What's going on?
I was button
It's a
pressing.
sinkhole!
What?
We're in a sinkhole.
Blub blub.
Ah.
Blub blub.
Ta.
Ha! Hey, brother, can you stand here real quick? Can you stand here real quick?
Why?
I didn't say go in the water. I said get up here. You unicycle. Get down.
Oh my god.
You get down. No, that's not fair. What?
I'm gonna go scavenge.
Okay. Hi, brother.
Okay, this is a bit random. Found a sign.
Why?
I don't know. Why do you expect that? Why do you think? What do you think? Why do you think we have fish in our house?
I don't know. I'm gonna go.
Alright,
I'm gonna go in the water for something.
All right. If you need assistance, throw a snowball in the air.
Okay.
Okay, go. My brother's been down for a minute. Hope he's okay. Okay, seriously, where is he, man? What'd you find? Soa, what'd you find?
A nightlight.
Oh, nice.
Whee!
Wait for me. What happened?
I don't know, but I'm
rained
gonna have to
again?
flood this place again.
Where's the?
I don't know. No clue.
What? You okay?
I'm fine.
Just for safety, just so I don't get hurt. Ready? I'm gonna jump.
Go. Brother, what happened? What happened? What happened?
Okay, stop messing with this. It's highly dangerous. We don't even know what this thing can do. Oh, well, now we know. It controls the freaking thing. Hang on. Holy crap. Okay, brother, that's good. Okay, you can stop now.
Hey, brother, go in there.
Why?
Go in there.
Okay. I found something. Another sign.
Wee. 3 little monkeys, 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. We are jumping on my brother's bed.
Hey, yo, bro, what? Bro, what's going on?
Nothing. Look.
Yo, brother. 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 In the water.
Okay. There, brother.
Alright, now the water's drained.
Hurry up, get up.
I'm grabbing something.
Hurry up. Come on. Why do we need those? Okay. Brother, it's down there. Come up here. I found a grappler.
I have it?
Oh, but it's my last one. Okay. Okay, I find something and I give it to you, okay?
Freaking.
Never mind, I don't want to go in there anymore. It's scary. Actually, I hid the grappler, so if you find it, you keep it.
What the hell is wrong with
Go and find the grappler. You see this? See this?
I'm about to go bungee jumping.
I hide it. Stay this. I don't want this.
Drain the water. We're gonna go bungee jumping. Ready?
Yeah.
I said drain it!
Oh, wait.
Drain it. Drain it.
Okay.
We're gonna go bungee jumping. Come on, let's go down. If you were Sigma, then you were.
What did you
Look,
say?
we made it! I found grappler. I found a grappler.
Okay. Brother, where are you? I'll just put on the poisonous water real quick. Okay, brother, where are you? Are you in here? Are you in here? Are you in here? Are you in these bushes? Hi, brother, where were you? Where were you?
Like poison water.
I'm sorry. Let's go bungee jumping again. Come on. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Ah! What does this button do? Click.
No! going bungee jumping.
Yeah.
Not deep underwater swimming. Rain it. Ow. Ow.
I'm gonna put on the acid real quick. Whee! Brother, are you okay? Help! Help!
What the I found another device.
What's this? Huh?
What the? Turn on. Turn the water. Turn it.
What the heck
What
is
is going on?
Brother! What happens if I press it again?
Oh God! Earthquake! Get to your shelters! Get to the shelters! Okay, stop! Stop!
Yeah, we can't be that far down, can we?
Careful!
Give me one.
Day of bungee jumping.
I need one.
Come on.
Come on. You know what? You know what? I don't need the grappler right now. Hurry, hurry. Tell me when to stop.
Wait, something's opening. Brother, look.
Hold on, I'm too busy.
Brother, look, something's opening.
Ooh, no, brother, I think we should stay here. I think we should stay here and do bungee jumping. Oh my God.
Okay.
Let's go, ready?
You want a bungee jump? And then you hook on.
Sorry, it was an accident.
Rain it.
You ready?
Are you ready? Bungee jump.
Whee!
Look,
Oh,
it's
this
fun, right?
ruined it.
What ruined it?
A wall. Give me.
Need fun resources.
Brother, where are you?
I'm down here. What the? Oh my God.
We go sleep, okay?
Farting in my pee-pee.
We go sleep, okay?
Oh, I'm so sleepy. I would have farted in my pee-pee.
Not, brother!
I'm gonna go fishing. Oh, I forgot there's no water!
Brother?
No.
Poisonous water.
Alright, not time to go fishing.
Brother, where are you?
I'm just gonna do some fishing.
Time to use my bat.
What the?
I turn off your grappler. Click.
No.
I push
What
you
the hell
off.
is it?
Push you off.
So, brother, are you sure this is a good idea?
Let's go! Push! Let's go of your grappler. Deactivate your grappler.
Ah!
No, brother! You cannot! This is what you get for bullying me after all these years. Poisonous water activate!
That's it. I must start the sky rise.
Uh-oh. I'm doomed, am I?
Start the sky rise. Yes. Activate. Activate it.
Go, brother! Go, 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 go! To your private world! Go, 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 go.
Hey, does anyone have a collector's?
Okay. There's so much.
We've been walking for hours.
What?
Where is this place?
I think we'll stay here for the night. Don't
We
you
found,
think?
we found a hotel. Come on, come on, come on. Get to that teleporter.
Here you go, brother.
Probably leads.
Okay.
Wait, I need a grappler. I need a grappler.
Wow! Mr. Foggy!
I'm coming. Oh, this place is actually pretty cool.
Ow!
We got a nice TV. Big cool. What the? What the?
No, the owner of the hotel said we can't go down there. Oh.
What is this? I don't know. It looks fine to me. This place looks fine.
I'm gonna go take a shower to relieve my stress.
Okay.
What is this place? To go tell my brother about this.
You haven't showered in there? Ah!
What is this
What
place?
is this? What is this?
Mr. Foggy! No! What did I do to you?
This place.
I'm getting out of here.
Wait. The teleporter. Hey, did you hear something?
No, I don't think so.
Wait, bro, give me a grappler. I need a grappler.
Okay, yeah. What the?
What the? Finish. What happened? Hey, wake up. You okay? Mom, let's just go back to our hotel room.
Oh, I don't want to get up. Oh, I don't want to get up.
Come on.
Fine.
Let's just go back to our hotel room. You can rest
Fine.
there. Come on, rest with Mr. Froggy. Why is this place so weird?
in so much pain.
What happened?
I ate something. I'm in so much pain.
Man, I might as well just watch some television.
I'm just gonna take a quick nap.
Hey, wake up. Morning.
I only slept for a couple seconds.
Wake the fuck up.
Oh, I don't wanna.
Just wake up. Just wake up. Just wake up.
I am already woke up.
Yo, I heard gunfire outside the hotel room. Back to cover. Come on. We should probably head back home. The movie. Hey, big booty bitch. I said like a tree. It's kind of bungling like a fish.
I'm trying to sleep
It's
here.
bungling like a fish. Like bunga bung 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 shing bung 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 shing bung 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 shing. There's cigarette in the. There's cigarette in the.
Brother! Trying to sleep over here.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be pranking my sick brother. He's technically terminally ill, and today we're gonna prank him.
Takes that fireball.
It's the end of the world!
Takes out a pearl to hurt your eyes. Takes out a pearl to hurt your eyes. Brother, look. Brother, look at me. I push you off.
You down, Zenda!
Gives you a pill to turn you back to normal.
What happened? Brother, are you okay? Also, what does this button do? Does it make me shoot you?
I'm gonna take a little nap here. No, brother, don't. No.
Ow. Also, what does this do?
Nothing. You know, I'm just gonna go to EJJD and just go to school.
School's for idiots. Man, where's the teacher? Hi, brother. Yo, teach!
I don't feel good. I'm just gonna go outside. I'm gonna go outside to get a little bit of fresh air. Yo, you know what? I think going to the lab is a good idea. I'm gonna go explore.
Oh my God, Scooby Alpha Race!
Brother,
What is this place?
I feel sick.
Oh, what are you?
What happened? Oh, I got this. Give me. Okay, thank you. No, I already got it.
I'm gonna get it.
Because I want to. Is there a problem? You know what? Give me a grappler. Give me a grappler. No. Give me a grappler. Thank you. Now pour in this acid. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry, brother. I'm coming.
Let me get it. What is with these buttons? Ah! There we go. Stop! You had.
No.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it next. Okay, I'm gonna eat these grapplers because I'm hungry. Nom nom. Okay, now I'm gonna go. No. Okay. And
Oh. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Okay.
Ethan, come here. Come here. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Ew! I'm still recording, you know. Everyone's gonna see this, including J-Man Curly. I'm gonna post this video right now.
Wait.
Do I press this? What? Brother? Brother? Ah, dang it, why are you in school? I thought you hated school. Okay. Okay. Brother! Brother? 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 What? Brother? What the heck is my brother? What the heck is he? What? Where is he? Oh, he left. Probably because of his battery. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.